So I was watching another one of my videos, and I totally forgot how it is. So I continued watching. There was an awkward silence, and then, bah! Then I pressed to go back and see uh, a graphic of my bird falling. Then I remember, like it was that one scene from the Ratatouille movie. Like, wow, wow! I remember. Why is my bird chirping like crazy? And I remember that the day I recorded that. Could you shut up? I remember that the day I recorded that one video, I was like close to my bird, and it fell. It it has fallen. It has fallen, master. It fell while just trying to do tricks because yeah, my bird can fly, cannot fly even at the slightest. Oh, it shut up. Okay. Well, see you next time, mother.